Having an online business, it gives you the freedom. You've heard that before, I'm sure, but believe me, when you live it, it's different than when people talk about it. But you really live it like this, and you don't need much income to live this kind of freedom, traveling the world and staying in different places. And I talked about this before, that you don't need much money to actually live this kind of lifestyle. You don't need more than like $1,000 a month, $1,500 a month to actually that will cover your apartment, your food, your medical insurance, pretty much everything. You can live. So if you're willing to spend like $1,500 to $2,000 a month on everything, you can have a car, an apartment, everything is paid, and then your business is being run online remotely. The type of work I do is very simple. I just provide people with the great content, trainings a couple times a week, and then I direct them to my digital products. So selling digital products online, you can tap into so many niches online, but I focus on only one niche, which is the most profitable niche, has been for me at least, because everybody needs money, right? Everyone, you ask anyone on this earth, they'll tell you, I need more money, I need more money. So this is the niche I am in, because people need more money. They need to earn more income because they are stuck in their job, in their 9 to 5. They're stuck in their own home. They cannot travel much, they cannot take vacations, they are not free. So this is what people are looking for. This is a very hot niche, by the way, and you will be surprised how many people they actually do whatever it takes to actually plug into that kind of business. So my recommendation to you, if you're watching this video right now and you are not sure exactly what to sell online, what to do, how to set up your business, you really don't need to create any products. You don't need to create courses. You don't need to create coaching programs. You need to plug into a system that's already done for you, that has all the courses, has all the coaching, has all the sales funnels, has all the marketing done for you. Plug into that business, plug into it. It's very simple. If you want to find out more how it's that done, I will link to a video presentation and a webinar. You can watch it. Your own products done for you, your own sales funnels done for you, and you get to earn 100% of the profit. I mean, it's unheard of. Amazing quality. Working with the best, working with an 8-figure earner who is doing all the work for you. You don't even have to do all the coaching. So I will link below this video to a presentation and a webinar. You can watch it to find out more about it. And if you have any questions, you can comment below this video or send me an email, or connect with me so I can hook you up so you can get started immediately. I don't recommend anything else at this moment. I don't recommend Amazon or drop shipping, any of those businesses with low profit and low profit margin. It requires a lot of work, requires a lot of things to do. I only recommend right now digital products, selling transformation, not only information. Information is everywhere, but selling a transformation, helping someone to unplug from the daily routine and helping people to start an online business. This is the hottest niche you can tap into today. Believe me, you'll be surprised, how many people are willing to do whatever it takes to actually get something done for them. So I highly recommend that you watch the webinar below this video. Go ahead and do it, and then check it out for yourself and see if this is something that you want to get involved with. Because if there is anything better out there, believe me, I will be involved with. I haven't seen anything so remotely better. The automation, the everything is done for you, so you don't have to actually work so hard to pull in 5 to 10 grand a month. Travel and live luxury like this everywhere. I mean, I'm not talking about luxury like cars and houses. I'm talking about luxury of peace of mind, lifestyle, relaxing. My health got better, honestly, since I left the US. My health got better. I'm in better shape. I feel much better. Everything has changed for me since I got online after leaving the restaurant business. So I highly recommend that if you have any questions, put a comment below this video. Watch the webinar. I highly recommend that you watch it. Find out. It's free. Get the details. Okay, and I'm sure you will fall in love with it. Okay, so with that being said, I'm leaving you with this beautiful, peaceful environment here, and wish you the best. Talk to you soon. Bye.